Chaudhary from class 5 section A, and now I'm going to show you how to make PDF files on PDF Creator. So before going to start our video, if you have not subscribed our channel, my platform, so quickly subscribe our channel and press the bell icon and give more and more thumbs up to this video. So today I'm going to help you how to make PDF files on PDF Creator. So first of all, we have to download PDF Creator app. We will go to Google Play Store and see, I have already installed the app and I'm going to open this app. So this will be the home page of it. So there will be two sections here. First is document in progress and second is PDF files. So the files which are not saved at all, but they are a file in which we have some important notes. We can click that important and we can save in document progress, and we can edit this anytime we want. And in PDF files, the files which are saved but we can't edit the files. So now we are going to make a PDF. So we are going to press this icon, plus icon. I'm dragging my video. I think I'm visible. And now I'm going to make a standard PDF. So I'm telling you, we are going to make only two types of PDFs. First is standard PDF and second is image to PDF. So first we will know about standard PDF and then we will know about image to PDF. So computer science will be our name of the file, and then we have to press OK, or you can also press this tick icon. Again I'm dragging my video. Yes. And then suppose I want to write here computer science. You can also change the font type here. You can press the three dot icon and then you have to press the font option. You can choose your desired font. I am choosing this one, Olio Script. I have selected it, and then whatever I will write, see, it will be written in the selected font option, software and its types. We can also change the language type. We have to click on this language option, and whatever we will write in English in this box, it will be translated in Hindi. First we have to double click here and then we have to press enter. Suppose I am writing software helps us to work properly on computer system. तो here it's written in हिंदी, कंप्यूटर सिस्टम पर सॉफ्टवेयर ठीक से काम करने में मदद करता है. So now I want that this particular line, computer science, written in bold. Yes. Now I want to change the text color. I can also change this, and I want to underline software and its types. Here it is. And I want to change the background color of this text and change the text color also. So here we can cut it, we can paste it, we can do anything in this PDF creator app. And for saving this file, we have to click on this icon. Then we can confirm that yes, this will be our document, and then we have to click this icon. Here's computer science file. Then we will click open. You should have the app document manager to read this. Yes, here's our file, computer science software and its type. कंप्यूटर सिस्टम पर ठीक से काम करने में मदद करता है सॉफ्टवेयर. So this was about standard PDF, and now we are going to learn about image to PDF. So many ads will come in this app, so better you make the PDF apps when you are offline. Actually, I am online for recording my video. So now I am going to add an image to PDF file. So I will click on this plus icon. Then I have to choose image to PDF. Then I want to type the video. Now I am going to write here discovery super league. I'm just giving some examples. Then we can choose anything here. Suppose I didn't want to choose any picture from my downloads, I can also choose it from photos or our gallery. I'm going to choose this one. Yes. And I'm also going to choose another picture. We will go to downloads, and yes. So I want only 2 pages of image to PDF. I'm only giving you an example. So now I'm going to press the I icon, and then you can see the preview of your file by clicking on this edit option. Again you can click on this I icon. See, this is not necessary to see the preview of your file, but I want to see it. Then we can create the PDF file. So here we can see, just a second, I'm dragging the video. Discovery Super League, my file is saved, and then I can open it. As I can see here, yes, this is my PDF image file. So now I'm going to tell you how we can share it also via Gmail ID. So I will share the computer science file. So here we have an option, share. We will click on Gmail, and we have to only type the name of the Gmail ID. Suppose I'm typing yes, I'm going to type this one, and I'm writing this subject here. Suppose I'm writing my platform, and then I have to only send it here. And if you want to send the image PDF, you can also share it the same way. We have to keep this. Subject, I'm giving my name, Barshani Chaudhary. Then I'm going to send it. So in 3 to 4 minutes, to whom I have given the PDF file, it will be just transferred. So this was today's video. if you like this video, so give more and more thumbs up to this video and subscribe our channel My Platform. Thanks for watching our video. Bye for now.